Got crazy energy today. What are you doing? Chill out. Alright, well, this video is a little jumpy, but as you can tell by the thumbnail, we get a little crazy on some Chinese scooters at the Scooter Swap Shop Boys. Last video, Scooter Swap Shop Boys were out here. In this video, I have some clips pretty much of the day they were leaving. We didn't get much riding in because it was super cold and we had some bike issues, but they did pick up some Chinese scooters on their way over to my house, and we ended up completely thrashing those things. And then me and Steve went on a little ride on the pre-bugs and hit a bunch of wheelies. I've been slacking on the videos lately. I've been super busy, so only been doing one a week. But I hope I can change that soon. And I have a lot of cool stuff in the works right now for a lot of the bikes that I've been filming. I just need to edit and put the videos together. Make sure you guys leave a thumbs up, subscribe to see more, and stay tuned for the new videos. Also, do not forget the MOPBOYZ merch in the description down below. It's wintertime. You need it all doubled up. The combo. All right, let's go.
This is what it's come to. With scooters. Oh, there's a jump. There's a jump. Right there. Hold on, that's a good. Oh my god. Oh my god. What even is that? Oh! Oh! He got stuck on it! Holy shit! You just got so lucky, bro. That thing said you're coming with. Just pick it up. There you go. You gotta go faster.
Hang on.
You almost had it. Oh, no! Dude, do it again. It's got a backflip. That is the best thing I've ever seen. Chinese scooter. Oh. On the pre-bug piece. Figured before Steve leaves, he's got to drive back to Phoenix right now. We're gonna pull out the pre-bugs and get a little crazy on him. There you go on that. Oh, there you go. Oh, I saved it. I chased that wheelie. I ain't gonna lie, I chased that. Yeah. So we put a CP21 carb on right now. We changed the roller setups a little bit. This thing's running so much better. Damn it. Gotta slow it down. He hasn't even got his foot off. Damn, I'm way off on this one. Do I save it? Oh, I saved it. Damn. There you go. Okay. Oh, go for it, go for it. Oh. You make the right hand turn? Okay, I got this next right hand. Oh shit! Yeah!
Oh, let's race it.
Much faster with the carb setup now. This pretty much feels good now, top end. It used to die out. Stage 6 carb deleted. Stage 6 carbs are so bad.